I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of readouts on Bumble. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Bumble. In this window of app info we click on for stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.